have found this, I think, a very cool thing. I know this fractal, but I have never seen it produced this way before. First, I have this function here. It basically finds a random point on a triangle. Now, to create our canvas to draw on, here's our values and some arbitrary points for the corners of our big triangle. And we create our canvas. We put the corners in that canvas like so. Now we get a random point in that triangle and also put it on the canvas. Now, what the procedure is that we start by getting a random corner and finding the middle point between the initial random point and that corner. And now we paint it black here. And then we go ahead and select a corner at random again. But now the point we use is that the middle point we have just found. We find the middle point between our previous middle point and that corner. Then select a corner at random again and find the middle point between that and our last point, so on and so forth. And we draw it occasionally, render it occasionally like so, and let's see what happens. Cool, right?